Good morning. It's nice. What is this today? Wednesday, I think. That's what happens when you work third shift. You kind of forget your days. But anyway, it is a nice morning, and I thought since I lost a bunch of footage from last weekend that I was going to use in the video you are watching right now. I'm going to go and try to film some little stuff in a short period of time because I'm really tired and I really want to go to bed. Oh, speed bumps. Or as the sign says, it's a speed hump. And instantly my mind goes to the dirty side of things. If you can't figure that out, you're probably too young. I left the turn signal on again. Oh, excuse me. Like that. Stay in the lane, dude. That's why lane filtering should be legal in Ohio. Just letting you know. Maybe it is. I don't think it is legal. Can somebody tell me if lane filtering is legal in Ohio? Is that legal? Legally illegal? I like it, guys. Back. Is that another cap? Oh my god, that's another cap. Good grief. I have a freaking awesome idea. Yes, we're doing it. Not that turn. I wasn't really talking about that. I was talking about something else that is going to be awesome if we can get in there. If I can get, yeah, because you're along with me for this ride. So yeah, I'm gonna say we, like you're actually here and care. I don't know if I can get. I don't even know how to get to this place that I'm going to. I'm just going for it. Ah, you mother! I can't get over there. Oh, this gravel. Oh. Nope. I guess I'm not allowed to do that. What's the worst that could happen? Somebody tell me to get out? I'm sure I'm going to have somebody back here ask me what I'm doing, but I think it's pretty obvious if you ask me. Go to that, please. No, not that. Oh, you stupid. There we go. That's better. Shh. I'm not here. Nobody knows I'm here. And there's a lot of things I will do to entertain you, but going to jail for trespassing is not one of them. Or really going to jail, period. I'm not doing that to entertain you. It's not worth it to me unless you, personally you, I want you to come pay my bail if I do. Got that? Alright. That... Now they call it the shot tower. I don't know why they call it that, but it's probably not that at all. Never was. But now this place is, as you can probably see on the thing, it's an art school and shiznits like that. I really do wonder how long it's going to be until somebody comes and says something. Just because I am like randomly just roaming. How do I get back there? I want to get back there. Seriously, how do I get back there? Well, crap. Well, I guess you got some of the tour. That was weird. But, yeah. that's just a little brief history and a little known fact that the train that Abraham Lincoln's body was, body was transported to his grave or burial site, went through this area very near here. As you can figure, that was a huge deal at the time. It's when this whole area was a very large military installment. And I wish I'd have knew that I was going here. I would have reread the history and stuff, so I could have gave you more interesting and for sure facts, because it's been a long time since I've been around here and I don't really remember everything. So I was ill prepared. That is my fault. For that, I am sorry if I give you any false information. Don't scold me for it. I'm ready to go home, go to bed. Oh yeah, for future reference, the place is called Fort Hayes, hence the sign. Whatever, I do what I want! Ooh, there's an idea. Would you guys like to have an episode of haunted locations? Would that pique your interest? If so, comment and let me know, because I will do that. I'll be more than happy to put myself at risk for you, because I love you so much for watching. I just wish you'd share my stuff more often and subscribe. But actually, if you would like to go with me on this haunted adventure, get a hold of me via Facebook, email, blah, 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 blah. We will arrange this, and I will do it. I will do it with you. In fact, I have most of the gear already. You just probably need to bring yourself and whatever you want to bring. That was definitely a tire with a brake drum and hub still attached. Holy shnikes is all I've got to say about that. Darn it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. People are killing me. This guy wants to get home. There's a radiator fan and a lot of car parts. What are you doing? Maybe if he's... yeah, just nonchalantly walk across the street. It's freaking cool. There's not people in a hurry. Just take your time jaywalking. I'm not an angry person. I promise you I'm not an angry person. And I'm not a grumpy gills. Despite what some people would probably tell you, I'm not. Future,